Next person I'm going to go and have speak up here. Last year, or actually the year before last, when we were out there fighting I-594, me and this person, we crossed paths. I think we were crossing paths every 3 days in the fight against I-594. She worked tirelessly for months fighting I-594 as an NRA grassroots coordinator at the time. So with that, we have Adina Hicks.
How's my gun lobby? Oh, come on, you guys. Yeah! There you go. You are the gun lobby. Don't let you tell it's the NRA or the Second Amendment or Gun Owners Action League. It's you, each one of you. And frankly, you guys have just been fabulous. I love it when Rick will post something, I'll share the post, and then it starts to go viral because people are beginning to wake up and recognize that the anti-gunners are not going to stop. They don't understand, they don't care that the Second Amendment is an inalienable right, that at the heart of the Second Amendment is your right to defend yourself. The Supreme Court of the United States actually stated that in their argument in the McDonald case. That was the case out of Chicago, where you had to get a permit to get a handgun, to get a concealed weapon, but they weren't issuing any permits. Mr. McDonald brought that. He said, wait, you're infringing on my Second Amendment rights. And they won that case. Now, I'm not going to say that the gun laws are much better in Chicago. It's now a shall issue state instead of a may issue state. And they've got numerous applications for permits. But the fact is, it is your right to defend yourself. No one gives you that, and no one can take it away. So what we need to do with these people that are trying to take it away is you need to contact your legislators. You need to send emails. You need to tell your friends. Because just as Representative Taylor said, you're the ones that are going to kill these bills. It's not one or two lobbyists that are going around. They're going to fight it as much as they can. Now, I don't know why these people don't understand that if draconian gun control laws worked, Chicago, Detroit, New York, DC, they would be model cities, right? Totally peaceful, no murders. The fact is, because of their draconian gun laws, because the criminals know that good law-abiding citizens are going to follow the laws and not have guns, the criminals rule. Their murder rate is about 18 per 100,000. Here in Washington State, I think it's like 1.4 per 100,000. But it's going to get worse if we let them take away our rights. So I appreciate so much all of you and appreciate how hard everybody worked during the campaign. We lost, but just the other day, Sheriff Urquhart in King County, guess what he said? No one is enforcing 594. Like, that's a big surprise. But yeah, they're not enforcing it because the law enforcement realized that, number one, most of it was unenforceable. Number two, it wasn't necessary to impose those kind of burdens on law-abiding citizens. So, you know what? We need to keep working because after this year, we can look at trying to repeal the language in 594. We got to make sure that we keep the people that we have in the House and in the Senate. I wanted to mention, Senator Roach, sometime just go ask if you can see her office, because this woman has really been a bulwark to defend your Second Amendment rights, and she has got like NRA awards everywhere. It's great. But you need to support these people, and you need to stand up for what's right. And the only way that they're going to know is if you tell them, because this is your building, this is your state, and your Second Amendment rights, which I believe protect all the rest of your rights, because if they take your Second Amendment right away, what is going to stop them from taking away the rest of your rights? So go see your legislators. Thank you so much for being here. And Rick, You're awesome. I mean, this man is incredible. Please, a round of applause. He is just incredible.